Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the OPPO Enco W11 True Wireless headphones. Now we are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see a very minimalist design. You have the earbuds in the center, the model name at the bottom and the brand name at the top. Nothing aside from that. On the left, you have the brand name again. Same goes on the right. Nothing on the top. On the bottom, you just have the BIS mark and a couple of QR codes. On the back side of the packaging, you can see a couple of features being called out. First being that this uses binaural simultaneous Bluetooth transmission. Then you've got about 20 hours of battery life. It has enhanced bass and it can reduce noise, that is external noise, while taking calls. It's also rated for IP55 water and dust resistance, and it's got intelligent touch controls. Over here, you have the manufacturer's contact information. Aside from that, you also have some of the specifications. So it uses 8mm dynamic drivers in either buds. You've got a frequency response time of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The charging case model is called ETY42. The charging port is Type-C, Bluetooth version is 5, and the range is 10 meters. You've got AAC and SBC codecs supported. And that's about it for the specifications. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. For the documentation, you've got the quick start guide. Always go through the quick start guide. This will give you instructions on how to operate the device, and you'll also learn a couple of interesting things about the product. Then you've got the warranty card. You should read through this and also check the Amazon store page listing to get details of exactly what is covered and for how long. The OPPO Enco W11 uses a USB Type-C interface. So you can see that over here, and on the other end, you've got a normal Type-A interface, and the cable length happens to be about 15 centimeters. You get a couple of replacement ear tips inside the packaging. These are usually in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earphones. Then there's the charging case. It opens up and you can see the earbuds on the inside. It has a very neat and clean look. There's a little indicator LED on the bottom. And on the back side, you have the USB Type-C interface using which you can charge the device. So that's it for the unboxing of the OPPO Enco W11 True Wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.